Hello everyone, this video is going to be more of a general update where I talk about what we've been up to recently and show you some changes we've made around the house. As it's springtime now, everything is green again and the grass is growing really fast. This means we have to get outside gardening a lot more, mowing the lawn, burning off, and just cleaning up in general. We are currently renting the property where we live, so we are in charge of keeping the garden maintained. We are on just over an acre of land, so need a ride-on mower to do the job. We would like to own a house one day, but I need a permanent job to make that happen. Ree is currently working in a job she loves, which is great. But for me, I am nearing the end of a 6-month contract and still unsure of what I will do in the future. For the most part, I have been working from home in our updated study. I have rearranged some things and painted the walls, so now it's really nice to spend time in the study. This is Nigel Gnome. He was awarded to me at work for doing a good job. He gets passed on to someone new every month, so he was broken when I got him, but I've patched him up nicely. And if you're wondering what I'm doing for work, well, I'm not going to tell you, but I will say that it is not a job that I pictured myself doing after studying marine biology for 4 years. It's completely unrelated to my degree, but I'm enjoying it. I just moved out here to be with Ree, and we are not anywhere near the ocean, but I don't mind. I am also qualified in environmental science, so I don't need to be near the ocean for that. So to other news, we have a new bed frame in our room and a new light cover in the wardrobe, which just adds that extra pizzazz, you know. The new bed frame was important too because we needed one for the bed in the spare room. The king parrots still keep us company too, so I built them a cage feeder for them to enjoy their food without the cheeky cockatoos attacking them. The cage has gaps big enough for the smaller birds to get in and out, but the cockatoos are too big to get in.
Right here's a very good ladder. Come on. Come get it. Come get it. Alright. Here. I know, so many of you. Oh, I haven't seen this many since like winter. How you doing up there? Yeah? Is that right? Okay, you tell him.
Get your butt all up in there.
Careful, buddy boy.
Your face.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh. What was that? Oh, are you mad at the boy behind you? Oh, I don't blame you. Hey, you're so happy. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh. What you doing, sir? Oh.
Other sir.
We're playing musical heads. What's went into my mouth? You ate too quickly, huh? Are you preening me? Are you preening me? Are you preening my feathers? Thank you.
That's so nice of you.